Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Higher for November 2021. Today I'll be going through question 9. And question 9 is a question with 4 parts and it's different index laws. So part A is write down the value of 7 to the power of 0. So this is the index rule that says that anything to the power of 0 equals 1. So we know that's 1. So part B, find the value of 3 times by 3 to the 6 times by 3 to the minus 6. So we know that if the base number is the same, then we add all the indexes together for multiplication. So it's 6 and minus 6, and for 3 it's just 1. So it will be 3 to the power of 1 plus 6 minus 6. So plus 6 and minus 6 cancel out, so it's just 3 to the power of 1. And we know that 3 to the power of 1 is just 3. So for C, find the value of 2 to the power of minus 4. So if there's a negative index, then it's 1 over the power. So it will be 1 over 2 to the power of 4. And 2 to the power of 4 is just 2 times by 2 times by 2 times by 2, which is 16. So it's 1 over 16. So part D says find the value of 27 to the power of 1/3. And I know if it's a fractional power, it's the root of the denominator to the power of the numerator. And as the numerator is 1, I can just ignore that. So it will be the third root of 27, which is also known as the cube root. And that is also 3. So that is question 9. Like and subscribe for more GCSE Math